Banh Duc House is a house inspired by a traditional Vietnamese cake known for its soft and smooth texture. The main idea of the spaces involves stacking small volumes on top of each other, thus opening up layered spaces to create the interaction of sunlight, wind, and rain. The house is a balanced whole of ventilated space that utilizes wind traps and reduces heat in Ho Chi Minh City. The main materials of the project are simple, only building walls, painting them white, and installing large glass panels, which is the purpose of the design team to create a simple, basic contrast to guide an inward-oriented space that, when connected, will have an outward orientation. Greenery in the project is mainly used to complement the simplicity of the project. From watering to care, all are balanced. From there, all connections of the homeowner will naturally appear. Daily activities become more flexible when workspaces or dining areas can quickly become shared outdoor and indoor spaces. Banh Duc House embodies the concept of living modestly, as a place to live and build memories, as every perspective in space is directed towards mutual interaction. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.